If you're a small YouTuber, gather here. Don't miss this great opportunity to learn what I'm going to teach you guys now. This is Learn with Oba. So relax. Let me teach you how you can be able to use Canva to generate or to design a good thumbnail for your videos. Most people, after creating their videos, the next problem they will have is how to design a good thumbnail. Without a good or eye-catchy thumbnail, no one is going to click on your video, because that thumbnail, once it is well designed, it is going to attract viewers. That is the first thing that will attract viewers once it pops up. And when someone goes over to the YouTube homepage to search for something that he or she is looking for, if you have an outstanding thumbnail, it is going to make that person to click on your thumbnail. So without a good thumbnail, no one is going to click on your video. So just sit back and relax. Let me show you how you are going to use Canva to generate a wonderful thumbnail. In fact, you're going to copy a thumbnail from other good or big creators to design your own, and your thumbnail is going to be exactly the way they did it. So sit back and watch. Okay, now this is YouTube's homepage. So let's search for this. How to get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube fast. So I'll click on here. So we are looking for thumbnail ideas. Okay, let me just click on video instead of all. So as you can see, these are thumbnails. So I'm trying to select one. Okay, let me take this day 1, day 9. So let me try and copy it from here. Okay, I'll copy it from here. So once I copy it, I'll now head to Google. So I'll paste it here. It's going to bring out all this because I was working on this. So now, instead of taking this one that I saw here, you can see that image here. Because once you copy the name of that, the topic or title of that video, and paste it on Google, because these people have optimized their thumbnail, that is why Google was able to bring out their images here. And from this their image, you can actually go to their channel. For example, let me show you this one. Now, if I click on this and I click on watch, you see it has started playing that video. So that is why it is also good for you to optimize your thumbnail. I will show you how to do that. So instead of taking this one, I'm going to use this guy here, grow on YouTube fast. So I'll right click, save this image, open this image. So let me just screen grab it. Doesn't matter, I'll copy it. Just this video is just for demonstration. Okay, I'm trying to pause. Okay, so just save it with any random name. Let's say YouTube. Just save it. So now that you've gotten your thumbnail that you want to use, you now head over to Canva. So this is Canva. So now go to create design. From here on top, you'll now look for video landscape, or instead of video landscape, we are going to use thumbnail. YouTube thumbnail, you can see it here. You now click on it. So it will now bring out the canvas where you are going to work on. Now remember that we copied, we saved a video. So you now have to upload that video into Canva. Already I have it here. So I'm going to take it from here and paste it here. You expand and make it to match that canvas size. So what I need here is this right up and this guy. That's all. I will take out this guy, take out the red background. I'll create my own. I'll just tweak it and rearrange it. So let me show you what I'm going to do. We now come to edit. You click on edit. Once it opens, you come here, you come to Magic Studio. So instead of grabbing Magic Grab, you now grab text. I want to copy out this text so that I'll be able to edit it. I'll now click on grab text. Okay. I'll highlight, I'll click on it. I will now click on grab. Now we have gotten our text. You can see that the text is movable. So the next thing we are going to do now is to take this guy off. We'll now click on Canva again. We'll now click on edit. We'll now click on magic grab. You can see that the text is no longer there. This is what we want to grab, this guy. We click on it. We click on this red one. Okay, let's leave the red one first. We click out first. Let's just click only on this guy. Let me deselect and let me click it again. So now grab. Now I can take out this guy. See, he's now movable. I cannot delete the guy. So when I'm deleting it, I want to bring in my own picture here. So now, this red board is the next thing I'm going to take off. You click on edit again. You now come to magic grab. That's the only thing left. I'll click on magic grab. I'll now select. So I'll now delete. Now I've gotten my background, my write-up, and let me now bring in my own picture. So this is now my own picture here. So I will expand it to the size I want. I would like it to be full. I will expand it, put it here. So you can see where I'm pointing at, and because I want it to be this side, I want the write-up to be on this side, and my picture to be exactly where the other guy's own is. So I'll come to flip. I see flip here. You now flip. You see that? I'm now pointing at the write-up. So now we are almost done with this. So what I'm going to do now is to change the color of the text. So I will now highlight and try to pick only YouTube. Let me change it to red. I'll now come to text color. I will select red. I will tap here and put the code for red. It's F. See? Grow on YouTube fast. So now I have gotten my thumbnail. This is the thumbnail I want to use. Now you can see how bold the text is. And my picture is very neat. It's not busy. The thumbnail is not scattered. So the next thing I'm going to do now to optimize this thumbnail is I'm going to change this name. Okay, it's already there. Grow on YouTube fast. You can leave it the way it is. Grow on YouTube fast, because that is a keyword on its own. Grow on YouTube fast, where this search box is. You can see it, grow on YouTube fast. Just save this video. You download. So, and it is now saved in your gallery. Let me open and show you. So you can see it here. Grow on YouTube fast. Try to open it. You see, this is it. Grow on YouTube fast. You can now see how I got my own thumbnail from copying from others. So that is just the way you can also get your own thumbnail. Okay, now I believe you'll be able to be designing a wonderful thumbnail after watching this demonstration. If you found this video helpful, just do me the favor to hit the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so that each time I drop any video on how to grow your YouTube channel, you'll be the first to get it. Thank you and have a wonderful day.